Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to another lesson about phonetics and about another feature of the English language which concerns connected speech. Connected speech. So today we'll start first by studying what we call linking, the phenomenon of linking or liaison at the level of pronunciation in the English language. Now, linking or liaison is an aspect of connected speech. The native speakers use it in their conversations, right? A lot, right? Now, when we say linking, we mean when we link or join words together. I mean here in particular sounds in words, especially the final sound in the first word and the initial sound in the next word. So here, the English, right, they link the two sounds together to make our speech sound natural, fluid, fluent, like, right, the spirit of natural English. Right, natural English. Why? They want to create that smooth transition between sounds. Smooth transition between sounds. So the link in here between the sounds is mainly for creating that kind of smooth transition between sounds, especially the ones at the end and at the beginning of successive words. Good. Now, we have different cases for linking in the English language, right, and in the standard English pronunciation, RP, right. The first one, when we have a word which ends with a consonant, right, and the next word starts with a vowel. It means here we link words ending in a consonant to words starting with a vowel. So here we link the sounds, final one and the initial one, right. Two sounds should be linked here, and when they are linked together, we move the final consonant to the beginning vowel of the next word. Like, can I help? Nai and I here. Example like, bukandu, bukandu. So K linked to A in end. Right. Turn off, not turn off, turn off. So, and linked to O in off. Right. Look out. Not look out. Look out. K. Link to O. Okay. Right. So here we have this first aspect of linking, right, between consonants and vowel. Right. Two words which contain the first one at the end consonant, second one at the beginning vowel. Right. Also, second case for linking happens at the level of two vowels. Clear? Two vowels. Here we mean the case when certain words, right, or certain vowels in particular come next to each other. It means in some words they end in vowels and the next word also starts with a vowel. So here also we need to create a link between them. That smooth transition between them. Right, between them. How? Usually by adding extra sounds to make the link smooth, which are ya and wa. The consonants or semivowels, ya and wa, usually are used to link between two vowels, to link two vowels and two words. Now, when do we use ya? The glide ya is used when the first word ends with, right, a long vowel E, or when it ends with diphthong that ends with the sound E. So here, to ease the transition, right, between the two words and the two vowels, I use ya between them. This transitional linking and sound. Example, I have my arms, not my arms. We say my arms, see it, not see it, see it, day in, not day in, day in. So here, as you see, I created that sound here between always, okay, the final vowel sound in the first word, which is usually long E or I, and the next vowel sound at the beginning of the next word. Right. Now, for the second sound we create, or we add to link the vowels, it is wa, the glide wa. So here the wa comes after the back vowels. After the back vowels, I mean long U, diphthong ow and ow. Ow and ow when they come at the end of the first word. Like do it, not do it, do it. Here we link the two words together. How old, not how old, how old. So the English say how old. Link them using wa, and also go out, not go out, go out. To make your English sound natural and smooth like the native speakers. Right. Also, we have also the third case for linking, which concerns the sound R, or the letter R, right, at the end of certain English words. Now, as you know that the sound of the letter R at the end of the English words, when it comes after a vowel, it is not pronounced. Clear? Like do, fa. We don't pronounce final R here, because in the standard English pronunciation and the native speakers, British speakers, okay, they don't pronounce this R, which is called, okay, linking R here, fa, do, except if this R is followed by what? By a word which starts with a vowel. Word which starts with a vowel. Right. Example, I have care of. At the end, I have a sound or letter R and of vowel. So I'm pronouncing the R. It's linking R here. Clear. Also, I have far away. Far away, far alone, not pronounced, but when we have away, word starts with a vowel, we pronounce the R, and we say far away, far away. Also, sure enough, right, sure enough, right, sure, right, without R, but sure enough, pronounce the R because enough starts with E, okay, vowel E, right. Also, for this letter or sound R has second case, which is called the intrusive R. Intrusive R. Now here, even if there is no R at the end of the first word, but the English speakers, when they have two vowels together, sometimes they create a transitional R. Right, transitional R to link the two vowels. Clear? So here, this R does not exist at all. But they create it in certain, okay, successions of vowels to create that kind of smooth transition and linking the two vowels. For example, I have the example of media event. Media event becomes media event. I add R in the middle between the two vowels. Also, no idea of, no idea of. So between A and of, I put, okay, intrusive R. Clear? Also, I have drama and music. Drama and music. We say drama and music. Drama and music between A of drama at the end and also A at the beginning of end. I put an R. This R is intrusive. It is brought outwardly to create a smooth transition, not original in the word like in the case of the linking R. Clear? Linking R. So this is simply about the sound letter R and its function in linking English words. I said, I repeat, the R at the end of English words, when it is preceded by a vowel, is never pronounced unless the word after it starts with a vowel. Clear? With a vowel. Right. Now, for the case of intrusive R, sometimes, okay, or the English use an R which doesn't exist originally, right, in the first word, at the end of the word, but just to link the two vowels smoothly. So that's all for our first aspect of connected speech in English, which is called linking or liaison. Right. So thank you so much and take care of yourselves. Okay, take care of. So here I said care of. I pronounce the R, care of yourselves. Thank you.